So we woke up only a few miles from our ultimate destination of Yosemite National Park. A short yet scenic ride through Tioga Pass was all that separated us from the federally protected land. We began our day with some campsite surgery, followed by feeding some of the local wildlife. We misidentified a giant rock dome, accidentally lost a SIM card on the road,
The SIM card is gone!
and eventually made our way to the valley floor. Enough talking, it's time for some adventure. We doubled the Bridgeport population for the last 24 hours. We were the talk of the fucking town. 20% higher. The brothers.
Support yourself, guys.
The fucking the crew, dude.
I don't know if it's hard because it's like,
You have a fucking dull knife, dude.
it's not working.
Knife is dull as fuck, bruh.
Oh! Nice.
There it goes. Oh, that was uneventful.
Well,
We're a quarter mile from the park entrance.
hey, we live our life a quarter mile at a time.
Yeah, a quarter mile at a time, brothers. Just like Dom said.
Hey, here comes Martin.
You said no, but we're really close. Oh,
Yeah.
And it's moving pretty fast.
All right. We tried.
Fuck it. We'll live.
Brother, brother, brother.
Sunni abuses his
First
bike
beer in
like
Yosemite.
he's a stunt rider.
Cheers,
Except he doesn't
boys,
even
for the
stunt.
camera.
I am a stunt rider. I stand up on my bike.
I didn't crash. That's a stunt.
Beer can in here?
Maybe.
Oh, no.
I don't think that's Half Dome, but it sure looks like Half Dome.
That is Half Dome,
It is.
isn't it?
Is it really?
We're just on a weird side of it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, this is the one. This is the one thing you don't want to miss when you come to fucking Yosemite. Half Dome and El Capitan. Yeah. Shit. I'm a chopper hoe. We ride to Yosemite and drop it down like it's hot. Pretty sure that's Half Dome. Half Dome. Connor, Sunni, Martin,
Like Connor, we had to fire
Me.
you because you ride a motorcycle.
Yosemite. Yosemite
Yosemite.
2024.
I just put my leg against fucking.
Last 4% of the battery. This might be it.
Last 4%.
We're on 4%, boys. Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Until next time.
Thanks, like and subscribe.
That's right. Goddamn right. We're fucking back, boys. We found a battery. Sunni's ham boned. Visor down.
I just took whiskey and it hurt my fucking throat.
Whiskey's hurting.
It hurt my
Visor's
entire
gone.
life.
Eyes are gone. Connor.
Cell phone. Let's see that cell phone, dude. Where's that cell phone at?
Yeah.
God, dude.
Oh my god! Oh, she's fine.
Corners.
Your SIM card's gone, dude.
She's
The SIM card is gone.
It's cherry.
Screen's good, though.
I know what I got.
We're going to El Cap.
El Cap.
Still in Yosemite. We're going to El Cap.
I'm forcing everyone to go to El Cap.
This is Martin forcing us all to go to El Cap.
You did it first. So
Cup check.
That was good one, Mike. That was a good one. Fuck. Oh, no.
5 p.m. in Tuolumne Meadows. I think we're in Tuolumne Meadows. Yosemite on our way to El Capitan. Last 9%.
That's 9%.
Where are we, Martin? Are we in Yosemite Valley?
Yeah, we're in.
We sure are. El Cap.
El Cap. Howard Cap. Where are we?
Waterfall. Oh, it's being blocked by the tree. Waterfall.
You always 10 on. This time I counted.